Why haven't you been answering? I'm getting worried.
You know, just making this fucking noise. If I'm making this noise, if I'm making this noise, if I'm making this noise, if I drink 3 brews, if I say hi Maria, I fucking miss you. I know you were the dang that was trying to take me out this fucking rush, out of this fucking game that I was playing, but I didn't wanna get out of it. I just wanna smoke it at it. Don't give a fuck if the streets of me, myself, I just be in the streets. Gang can fucking stand about these motherfucking fags, and you were the one that fell back in love with you.
Adam, what the fuck are you talking about? Adam, please. Adam, what the fuck are you talking about? Please, just calm down.
About tramp, and I can't stand myself. I don't even know where you're at. I don't give a fuck where you're at. Don't give a fuck what type of fact you with. You fucking bitch, all you could do is suck that dick. You were talking bunch of shit. I hope that you split. If you go fucking die over there in some other ditch, I ain't gonna say no more because I be doing my thing, ho. I be kicking back right here, just living like a king, ho. You can't see me anymore cause I be smoking that hydro. I be going away like a star. You cannot see me no more, not no more, because I be doing my thing. If I doing my thing, I be drinking my Tangerine and my homie.
Fuck Adam, chaotic. Fuck you.
To see me behind the fucking mirror of the fucking ghost. If I disappear like a ghost, because I probably went to another state and I'm getting some choke. If I get motherfuckers in the fucking choke, I don't know. Here I stand, where I fucking stand, where I fucking stand. With I brew in my hand, talking down to these clowns. I'm not playing around when I'm talking down to these fucking clowns. They playing around when I'm not playing around. And when I freestyle, I do it much love to rap chat. My homie told me I'm sorry I didn't make these beats, but I give much respect because I'm still doing my thing. Much love, yeah, rap chat. I'm fucking drunk on my ass, but I'm doing this rap. I'm freestyling and I don't give a fuck about these hoes. I'm gonna keep doing my thing. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna keep flowing away. Don't give a fuck what they say. I don't give a fuck what they say. I'm still remaining the same. I'm still remaining the same. I'm still blazing all day. Motherfuckers cannot see what I'm doing all day. All day, all day, all day, all day. All day, all day, yeah. Don't give a fuck what they say, yeah. Fuck them fools, fuck them hoes. Fuck them other nigga bros, thinking they can outflow the Adam Bomb Chaotic, aka the fucking freestyle knowledge. I'm fucking spitting you wet, you're gonna freestyle knowledge, huh? I don't even know what to say no more. I'm just freestyling on this bitch, and fuck all these stupid hoes. Fuck all these stupid hoes, and they thinking they know, but they don't know. I fucking freestyle again to another flow.